Hello, Twitch. Welcome back. Myself. I was actually planning on timing it with the music, but
they're great.
Oh, snap. Canhorn. Thank you so much for 4 months. I appreciate you. That's very, very kind of you. Thank you so much. Congratulations to Steffi on being first. Officially, T. Drayson, I'm very sorry. Announcing first in chat does not make you first. Hence the channel point redemption. To clarify, you're only first if you redeem the, you know.
They're great.
TD, not first, but you still managed to sub. Again, 4 months. Let's go. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Oh gosh, it is very weird to be back. It's a very weird feeling. Not only did I take 2 weeks off of Twitch streaming, I also basically didn't log into Twitch either. So I'm sorry to all of you who I was not present in your streams the past 2 weeks. Let's say hello, Gaston. This is most definitely real, 100% real. T. Drayson coming in with the timestamps. Oh, very good. 96:49. That's a very good drop. Jay Walter, heyo, welcome in. Maddie is in the house. This is very true. Did you get an email, T. Drayson, when I went live? Do you have emails set for that? Hey, Jay Walter just kicked off a hype train. Wow. 5 months. Okay. Jay Walter, thank you very much for the 5 months. That's very appreciated. T. Drayson gets emails when people go live. That's very interesting. Yes, so wow. Okay, Tactics, welcome back. Thank you very much. UK Maddles, welcome in, my friend. Nice to see you. Steffi, good to see you as well as always. And Yost, I knew I was saving that last ice cream for a reason. Hey, Yost. Oh, holy moly. Canhorn. Thank you. Thank you very much, my friend. Yost, you have been blessed with a glorious bar chart. You can now be part of the bar chart club. That should please you. Canhorn, that's very generous. Thank you very much. It's indeed been an interesting few weeks. Not gonna lie. It's been fairly hectic. I'm glad that I took 2 weeks off streaming. I do not regret it at all. Of course, I missed all of you. Of course. I missed all of you very, very much. But it was very good to get a bit of distance. More time for motorbiking. Unfortunately, the weather here has been... Oof. The weather here has been not great, but finite singularity is great. Finite, thank you very much. 4 months as well. That's very cool. Thank you so much for the support. I have returned. For who knows how long? Maybe only for a short amount of time. I don't know. Surly, you also took some time off Twitch, I believe. Yes, exactly. Do you still have both of my shoes? I do have both my shoes. Still. Yes. I'm not wearing shoes right now, but I consciously checked, you know. I wanted to make sure. 2 weeks felt like an eternity. Well, thank you, T. Drayson. I saw you already got a nickname for today. That's right, fam. You can use the !nickname command to get a one-of-a-kind, unique nickname that you can call me today. Yost, nothing says I have returned like an epic 14-hour FCC stream. For those of you wondering what FCC is, Free Code Camp. And Yost, you are 50% correct in that you shall today receive FCC, but it shall not be 14 hours, for it is a Monday. I am teaching at university tomorrow and getting my passport renewed. Therefore, we do not have the mental capacity to do a 14-hour stream today. Friday, who knows? Maybe, you know. Nice to see all these friends here, digital friends. Matty Pie Spam. You're supposed to call me Dr. Two Shoes, Gaston. And find out you're supposed to call me Matty 3.1459265359 Spam. I didn't commit to that on Friday. I'll just say this, that my partner is going away for a few days. So let's say that there aren't as many obligations on the weekend to do such things like go shopping and sleep and all those kinds of things. So the strong possibility, neither confirmed nor denied, strong possibility. Has anyone noticed I've also changed my camera lens? I'm also on a 50mm fixed lens, and my camera does not have autofocus, which is usually a pain. So I'm trying to like not stay. I'm trying to stay in the focal zone. But if anyone knows about cameras, and you know, if you turn the f-stop too far down, then it's focusing just on your nose, and then you know. Surly, you changed your camera lens? Oh, I just thought you washed your face. I did also wash my face. I'll have you know. I shower before stream. Oh, level 2 hype train. Thank you very much, everybody. Give everyone, you know what? Give yourself a round of applause for that. Amazing. Amazing. Smooth, buttery, crispy camera goodness. What emote did I get this time? Hype Pat. I don't have that one. I didn't have that one yet. Nice. New emotes. Thank you everyone for your support. I really appreciate it. I haven't done anything yet, and you've already been like so generous. So 14 hours. I mean, mattyWHOshoes as a term of endearment. I suppose that could work. Tactics. Yeah, I suppose that could work. I've been looking into potentially doing cooking streams, but it's quite difficult. It's quite difficult. Quite difficult. 14 hours is less than 15. Yeah, TD, this is true. 14 is less than 15. Math, good math. On Friday, Home Alone is a commitment. Oh, that movie was also very good. The first one, of course. Mini Singularity wants me to do a cookie baking stream. I think mostly he wants cookies. Oh gosh, good gosh. I forgot about all of your friends, Surly. Wow, that's... I'll drop 2. Maybe I have a good chance of winning. Because I haven't dropped in so long. It's been a while since I dropped. Yes, so I had a very eventful 2 weeks. I've been lecturing at a university on a course which is called AI for Managers. And I've been giving a guest talk there. So I did one last week and I've got another one this week, tomorrow. My talk is about propensity scoring, which is a type of machine learning. And I've been working like a crazy person, my day job. We also officially founded our startup, actually. We signed the legal stuff. So it's, you know, black and white. We're just waiting for the confirmation back from the authorities that we have the title. But yeah, that's progressing quite nicely. So we should be good to go. For streaming Extreme Face, no, that's not the right startup. We're actually yeah, we are going outside as part of our startup because Cook Eat is about bringing people together to eat, or, you know, takeaway, or delivery. Reality could be all 3 things. But yeah, for that one, but I'll be working on streaming Extreme Face as well on Twitch. I'll continue working on that. Actually, today is basically step towards that, right? Because in order to do streaming Extreme Face, definitely need to pump up my dev skills. So, you know, time to go upstairs before the laptop dies. Oh, TD, is your laptop not... Do you not have power plugs downstairs?
Put my faith in data, information. Ones and zeros never lie.
I do like the random animations of Memebox. If you're wondering how I'm doing all these cool effects and stuff, that's with our good friend Noob's solution called Memebox. Are your chargers upstairs? Okay. Fair play. Fair play. Yes, I have added 2 new channel point rewards. They're there if you want to use them. Can't say too much about them. I don't want to, like, you know, don't want to spoil the surprise, let's say. Oh, look at that, Steve. Steve has already redeemed GDPR. If you're not familiar with GDPR, it's called the General Data Protection Regulation, the European thing, and it's about protecting people's personal data. So what better to protect my personal data than to protect my identity while streaming? And therefore I have purchased these GDPR sunglasses so that my identity can be protected while streaming. What do you all think? Do you think they work? Identity? Oh, finite. Hey! This is very funny. Oh, I see. Steffi has also redeemed hands-on. I don't want to combine those two because it's very awkward. Also, hands-on is only going to be on a different scene. So Steffi, I'll keep that one for in a bit when we start with FCC, because I think you will enjoy the combination. The trouble is with zoom it, now when you look down, you dox yourself. How's that? It protects your identity, but now we can see your screen. Okay, wait, so I have to just angle it in a way that you can't see anything. So like this. If I don't move my head, it's good, right? Just like this. Perfect. Yeah, I didn't really plan this out, Chad. I mean, I just bought them. What more do you want from me, you know? Up a bit and we get the ring light. Yeah, there's one ring light right there. There's another one over here. There. Impulse Amazon buy. Distinct Daft Punk vibe. Actually, yeah, kind of. A little bit of a Daft Punk vibe, especially with the music like this. It was not an impulse Amazon buy. It was part of an Amazon buy, and then this object was... Oops, excuse me. Oh dear. Oh, we have a problem. Oh, excuse me. No. Excuse me. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Alright, so perfect. Just like the photo fit before the eyes are added. Oh yeah, like giant googly eyes on here would actually be pretty hilarious too. So, TD has asked, at what point do I consider it cold and winter? Good question. I guess cold for me is like below 3 degrees Celsius, I would say. Anything like 3 below. Nice clip there, Surly, thank you. Daft Punk, who are you? Doing it right? Yeah, when you need to get your big coat out. Yeah, I was just discussing that earlier with my partner, that I haven't worn my Canada Goose jacket in years. Only when I went to Norway. And since then I haven't worn it because it's never been cold, you know. We will get hat redemption back when it is sufficiently cold. It's not cold enough yet. But we will get hat redemption back, TD, I promise. All right, so these are pretty interesting so far. I like them. There are some new additions to the cool gang emote as well. There are some additions to the Cool Gang selection of sunglasses, just FYI. So we have a hands-on, we have a time warp scan. I think we'll do a time warp scan first. Hat redemption and GDPR, what a combo. And Cool Gang. Oh, time warp scan with the glasses. Oh, that sounds interesting. I wonder if that's okay. We can try. We could try. I suppose you redeemed it as I had them on. Let's try that then. I don't know, do I have it on this? Can I do it on this one? I'm not sure. No, I cannot. I need to switch. I'm sorry. Alright. Slowly lowering your head as the scan reaches the glasses. Okay. Here we go. Oh, that's what you meant with the Daft Punk vibes, didn't you? Was that good enough? I think I can do better. Let's try another one. Let's try another one. Here we go. Oh, I think I nailed it that time. I think I nailed it that time. I think we got it. Not bad. Not bad. I think we nailed it that time. I look forward to the clips from today's stream. Giant square block in front of head. Daft Punk impression. Looks like you lost the top of your head. Oh. All right, so Cool Gang. We could do Cool Gang before we switch over to our actual stream stuff. Planet was taken. Thank you very much for the follow. Steffi, I shall put the first pair of glasses on. Give me 1 second here. There we go. There's three new Cool Gang redemption possibilities. Okay. I figured I should get like rapper 70s vibe ones that are a bit gold, because these ones are just yellow. They're not as cool. So it's super bling. Yo. Nailed it that time. Thank you, Surly, for clipping. I'll definitely... I need a gold chain. This isn't like a $90 million stream, you know? This is just a 90 million lumens stream. Oh no. Are we time warp scanning this too? Okay, fine. Surly, I see your intentions. Alright. Do you have a preference? Now as the scan hits the center of the gold glasses. Alright, I'll do my best. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. That didn't work. Why didn't that work? Let's try again. Oh no. I did it too early. I did it too early. I did too early. We got to go again. Alright, here we go. Oh, that came out interesting. That looks like I'm bug-eyed now. I could front the black-eyed peas with those. You think so? Funny. Oh, funny. Oh, chat. I've missed these good times. I've missed these good times. Definitely. I have missed fooling around on stream. And I'm very proud to be part of the Claw team. And I like that the team is flexible enough to allow people to take 2 weeks off and not kick them from the team. So, thank you. Thank you to the rest of my team for saying that that's okay. So, oh no. TD, what have you done? Wow. Wow. Okay. There's a lot of meme potential for this one, because you could basically write whatever you want on this now. That's kind of scary. The fall rapper. Surly, these clips today are just, I don't know. Very good clip titles. Very good clip titles. So what are we doing today? You might be asking yourself, what are we actually doing today? And the answer is very simple. You can decide, chat. You have the power. The reason you have the power is because there are two options. The options are you ready? Here are the options. Regex or not regex. Those are the two options. Let's take a look. The options are FCC or FCC. That is correct. Ooh, bug-eyed. These are very good clip titles, Surly. I'm very impressed. I will watch all of them after the stream. I'm very curious to see what they're like. So... FCC, yes, but maybe we should run a poll. Should we run a poll, chat? Poll. Open a setup menu to create a poll. All right, hang in there. So the question is, to regex or not to regex? That's the question. Yes. No. I will allow additional votes. You can even use your channel points to vote, but one vote is going to be 5,000 channel points. You can even use bits too if you want. 100 bits per vote. Duration, 3 minutes. More than enough time. Just slash poll in chat. Yeah, no, it worked very well. I just did it in chat. It was very cool. White Panther is not here, so no regex. I mean, I wanted to do it when Panther's here, but you know, kind of want to do regex. Good regex, Yost. I respect your regex skills. Not to slash. I don't know. I mean, it's 50-50. People gotta vote. I mean, I'm happy to do debugging, basic data structures, algorithm scripts, all the stuff that isn't. Ooh, 4 votes now. 50-50 still. It's still 50-50. I mean, I gave everyone 3 minutes, right? Because I thought that's enough time. I busted out some SED today to clean up some CSV data. I still didn't win. What is SED, Yost? 50-50, you know what to do, chat. Keep it even. Oh, you're just making me decide in the end. How is that fair? Oh, it's 3. Oh, it's 3-2 now. To regex or not to regex? 50-50. 50-50. That's a very funny subreddit, actually. So we will get to coding because we've been blah-blahing for enough time now. And when we get to coding is when Steffi, your channel point redemption will... stream editor. Imagine editing a file from the command line. What? Why would you do that, Yost? Why would you willingly do that to yourself? Hey, can I vote in my own poll? Old school Unix. Old school Unix. Can I vote in my own poll? This could be interesting. I can. I voted no. Someone just voted yes. So it's 57-43%. The trinity of SED, AWK, grep. Okay, grep I know. Oh no! To regex or not to regex? We have a 57% yes and 43% no, and actually it's even more skewed because I voted no. So it would be actually 4-2. Well, I think that's clear. So, okay, that's like regex search and replace, Yost, basically. I guess, in a way. Oh dear, everything is yellow. It's very weird. Are you all prepared for what you're about to see, by the way? I just want you to be aware that I spent...
Wow!
James Harris, thank you very much for following. I appreciate that. I just want you to be aware, chat. I spent a good amount of time planning this particular channel point redemption because I had the idea already 2 months ago. And then when I finally got around to ordering stuff, I basically said, okay, now is the time I'm gonna do it. Hello, Jibbo. Welcome in. It's been a while since we've seen each other. I mean, because I've been away, mostly. Because I've been away. All right, so I think it's ready to go. I think it's ready. So, my dear friends of Twitch, Hands On, which Steffi has redeemed, is a very special channel point reward because it involves me with tiny hands. And the reason it involves tiny hands is because I now need to type with these tiny hands for, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes. I haven't decided on the duration. High five, Twitch. And in order for you to get an up close and personal experience with the tiny hands so that you can see that I'm actually typing with them and not cheating, tiny hands for big data. Yes, Jay Walter, exactly. So that you can see that I'm using the tiny hands and not cheating, I have a tiny camera that will allow you to also see. Oh yes, there is an ad coming, or there was an ad now. I'm sorry. If you just, most people have a sub, so it's not a huge deal. Tiny camera for tiny hands. I'll have you know that the camera that I bought is literally, it's like this tiny. It's super tiny. Wait, I have one. I'm sorry for those of you that got an ad. Look at the size of this camera, okay? Okay? This is the size. Okay? It's tiny. Look. Now the reason I have this tiny camera there is so that you can see, Surly Dev, that I'm not cheating. Because you have to be able to see my keyboard. I haven't found the best position for it yet. I will admit that. I don't know if that's the best spot. But this way you can see that I'm trying to... I have to type with this. Because that's what the redemption is. It's probably just a tiny ad. It's actually pretty... It's quite funny. Jibo, you're too busy. Your freelance life is very full. I thought it would have more time. I must have been wrong. Tiny camera for tiny hands, indeed. So sorry for that. I didn't warn you about getting an ad. I'm sorry. I should have warned you. But anyway, the camera, the coloring and stuff leaves a lot to be desired. But it certainly works. So if I was to type something here, if I was going to type like, search something like regex, there we go. See? Works no problem. Let's migrate to tiny CSS. Oh, Yoast, it fits even a small teddy bear. That is a reference. That's a reference to something. So that's the answer about naval cam, by the way, Surly. So yes, it's so that you can see that I'm not cheating and I'm typing with my tiny hands. So regex it is. And well, regex is not regex, right? I mean, regex has different flavors. And I know regex, but this should be pretty interesting. So regular expressions are used in programming to, if you want to find the in the string, the dog chased the cat, you could use the. Okay, fine. Apply the regex, my regex on this my string using the test method. Okay. Dot. This is really difficult. Teddy bears have cameras in them when parents don't trust the babysitter. Ah, that's what that is. Oh no, I did a boo-boo. Hold on. Dot test. Dot test. And then no, oh, I almost typed for real. Okay. dot test, and then I have to test the string, my string. This is really difficult because you don't know which finger is gonna hit. Okay, run the test. Hey, first successful finger challenge. Oh, that sounds wrong. I shouldn't say that. First successful typing with fingers. Okay, Waldo's hiding. The test will call return false. A future challenge will show how to match those other forms. Kevin. I'm trying to match Kevin. What? Complete the regex to find Waldo in the string with a literal match. Okay. Ah. Waldo. Speed test with mini hands? Oh, I can't. That would be like 2 words per minute or something. How do I look at that. Okay, control enter. Next challenge. All right, complete the regex pet regex to match the pet's dog, cat, bird, or fish. Okay, so dog, oh gosh, dog. How do I get pipe? I forget. Cat, bird, fish. Oh wait, sorry, auto completion. Hey, I guess you could say they're pretty handy. TD, I've made so many puns the past few days while I've had these. Oh, I don't want to do this. No, ask me later. I've made so many puns. Your first what challenge? Oh no, Steffi, what have you done? What have you done? Oh no. Hey, first successful finger challenge. Oh, that sounds wrong. I shouldn't say that. First successful test. Hey. Now it's in there twice. You can clip that too. 'Cause that's the second time I said that. Or dog, cat, bird, anything else. What? Really? I think they wanted literal matches though. Okay, so I think did you hear that? Okay, I think tiny hands are good for now. I could put them here. Hold on. Oh gosh. Oh, Tactics, you're so clever with the fish. I didn't get the joke. That's my fault for not getting it. Oh, that is a very satisfying pop sound. All right, so now you know what the finger, now you know what hands-on does, right? Now you know what hands-on does. So, ignore case while matching. Yeah, with is the I global parameter. So FCC regex, match free code camp. Easy. We will just breeze through these because they're easy ones. Match method to extract the string coding. Dot match. Coding regex. And we'll do coding. There is no spoon. Okay. What's this one? Multiple flags. Find and extract both twinkle. Okay, so twinkle. Global match case insensitive. Dot match star regex. Wonderful. Okay, what's the next one? So the next one will be maybe we should have different colored lights today. Been fooling around with the lights as well. Like orange or blue. Not bad. Quite like the orange. So let's see. Let's have fun with regular expressions. So it matches the strings run, sun, fun, pun, none, and bun. Your regex should use the wildcard character. Okay. Wildcard character dot. So dot un. Of course you need to escape it. Or do you not need to escape it? In this case. Wait, is JavaScript regex different than vanilla regex? Oh, interesting. You don't need to escape the dot? I thought you had to escape it. Ah, no, unless it was literal. Of course, sorry. Yeah, if it was literal, then we'd have to. Okay. Where'd everybody go? Did everyone go to sleep? I would totally understand. I was also worried no one would show up today. I don't think that's so irrational. Like, I was away for 2 weeks. In streamer terms, that's like an eternity, as TD said. So, logically, you know, people could have forgotten about me. I think it's possible. Hmm. Is that the case? Did you know you don't even need to use the exclamation mark on outside? It's got one of those auto matching ones. Whenever someone would say outside within normal conversation, it would trigger. We could never forget about you. Why is never and you capitalized? My therapist said so. Oh, you talked to your therapist about me? I feel flattered. That means I've had a real impact on your life. I don't want to know what that impact is, but it means I've had a real impact. Okay, I want to match big bag, bug, and null. What? No, I don't want to match null. Could be a bad thing. I don't really have a therapist. Did your therapist tell you to say you don't have a therapist? Because that's mind games. And yes, tactics. Tedious outside test. Exactly. There's a cooldown on it, but I don't remember what it is. Because Memebox allows you to do that, which is pretty cool. I use a character class with vowels in your regex vowel regex to find all the vowels. Okay. To find all the vowels in the string quote sample. Well, then it's just A, E, I, O, U. Globally. Oh, what do I have to do? I have to match... Ah, yeah, and case insensitive. Outside, definitely more than a minute. Yeah, I think it's like 3-minute cooldown or something. I don't remember. Or maybe it's even a... I don't remember. Another topic. Completely different topic. Did anyone notice that Pretzel Rocks did a huge update and now tons of their categories are locked behind premium subscription? So like drum and bass and electro swing and hype bass and all these categories I was using before, they're now locked behind a premium subscription. So I can play EDM or, I don't know, chiptune or Surprise Me, of course, and likes, and my likes, and chill, but all the others require premium subscription. Which is like, oh, I wish it wasn't that way. I know it's like a huge thing, but why can't we just play, like, why can't we just play all the music on stream all the time, you know? It's just so complicated. And does it really need to be that complicated? Like, I understand distribution rights, but like, when I'm playing music as part of my stream, I'm not performing the song. And I'm not redistributing the song. So I don't understand why it's such a big problem. If I can show what song it is reliably, you know? I don't know. Yes, Steffi, and for that I can just play one of those stream safe playlists on Spotify or YouTube one or SoundCloud or whatever. You're right, Canorn. As always, the answer is money. Because they don't get paid for those plays. Fine. Then Twitch should just do a deal like they're doing with the record labels now. They started doing deals. For the music streamers, they should just do one big deal and say, we'll pay you X per year. Be done with it. That's it. Alright, so character class with vowels. And it's okay, so the result. Ooh. Wow. Alright, so I want to result. I want to vowel regex dot match quote sample. Is this the wrong way around? Yeah, it's the other way around. Quote sample dot match, and this is the regex string. Vowel regex. Oh, Ian! I missed you. Thank you for tooting. Thank you for joining. How are you, my friend? Most dedicated viewer on Twitch. Ian. Definitely you. How are you, Ian? Of course he farted again. Of course. Of course. When people ask about Ian, they say, he farted. Oh, I need the B flag in front. I forgot about this. Huh, wait a second. Your regex should use the global flag. It should use... Oh, I made a typo. Whoops, eh? It's on the outside. Your regex should not match any consonants. There we go. Most farting person on Twitch. Not sure about that, but I'm doing all right. How was your stream break? My stream break, Ian, was great. Was really great. I feel more rested. Yeah. I feel more rested and generally more kind of energetic, if that makes sense. Oh no. You're gonna make it difficult. Fine, Steffi. I suppose Ian hasn't seen it yet. Very well. Okay, okay. Here we go. Where did I put it again? I forgot where I put the thing. Under OBS. I think it's under OBS. Alright. Hands-on. It's a hands-on kind of stream. So, I guess we're doing this in a very hands-on way. Alright, I can only type with tiny hands now. So what is this? Match all the letters in the string quote sample. While being protected by the GDPR. Okay. I'll go for that. Sure. There we go. I am protected by the GDPR. You don't know who I am anymore. My identity is concealed. Match all the letters in the string quote sample. I have been pseudo-anonymized. Just let me adjust my glasses here. Excuse me. Okay. So, Match all the letters in the string quote sample. So that's a range of letters, which is... Oh, there we go. Ah, no, I'm cheating. Sorry. Sorry, it's not good. Okay. A to Z. And match all the letters, both uppercase and lowercase. So G, I. Result is quote. Ah, no. Quotes. This is very difficult. Sample. Ah, yes, that's why we forgot you while you were away. GDPR. Oh, that explains a lot, doesn't it? Dot match. Bracket. Okay. Bracket. Close. Command enter. Yes! I did an exercise. Woo! Oh yeah. All right. Amazing. Create a single regex that matches a range of letters between H and S and a range of numbers between 2 and 6. Okay. All right, so we want to match a range of letters. Oh crap, that's the wrong one. A range of letters between yeah, Canorn, you see the funny joke with the blueberry pie. That's also very funny. Blueberry pies are delicious. It's very appropriate. So I'm just using my mouse normally. I have to create a single regex that matches H to S and 2 to 6. Okay. Where's the closing bracket? And G and I. Okay. And then we have to type here quote. Oh. No, why did it do D? Where's that coming from? Okay. Quote sample dot match yeah, awesome. Woo. Okay. Oh, these are really sweaty actually. I'll just put them here to creep people out when we turn the camera back on again. How about that? Oh, wow, it's so bright. So bright compared to with the glasses on. There's also one more. Yeah, there's one more set of glasses in Cool Gang that we haven't used yet today. There's one more new one. So yeah, because I got the gold ones and I got another pair, and I'll probably order another 2 or 3 pairs. But is it 90 million lumens bright? So. I mean, if you want 90 million lumens, just say so. Oh! Thanks to Memebox for encouraging 90 million lumens to be animated. Okay, so we have quote sample, 3 blind mice. Create a single regex that matches all characters that are not a number or a vowel. Hey, nice. Okay, now we get to learn those. That's good. I'm way faster this way now. So not a number. Good morning, Steffi. Good morning. Now you're wide awake again because of 90 million lumens. It's a great meme. It's a great meme. All characters that are not a number or a vowel. A, E, I, O, U, and not 0 to 9. Globally and... Okay. Whoa, look how fast I am compared to with tiny hands. Look at the difference. It's almost 10 p.m. No time for morning yet. Nope, that's true. So it's good evening for you. Good evening! Let difficult spelling be Mississippi. Good joke. You want to find matches when the letter S occurs one or more times? Oh yeah, I know this. So we do S, and we want one or more occurrences. Ah, they do. Ah, it's interesting. Different notation. So you can also use plus. With global. Find one match and return A. Because of the plus, it would also find a single match and return AA. If you were... What? S occurs one or more times. S plus. See, I would have written it as S and then one like that, but they want to have the plus version, which I'm not familiar with. Should match 2 items. Yeah, so plus plus? I'm confused. Oh, it's outside, isn't it? S and then outside. Or you don't need the square brackets. It's just S plus. Ah, okay. All right. Chewy regex. What? Chewy quote has been initialized as R behind the scenes. Create a regex tree regex that uses a star character. To match an uppercase A, immediately followed by 0 or more lowercase a characters in Chewy quote. Does not need flags or character classes. Okay. Okay, so if we do... We want to use uppercase A immediately followed by a 0 or more. So we have...
They're great!
Hey, that noob. Thank you very much. Look at that nice ad placement. What ad placement? What are you talking about? What ad placement? Is there ad placement? Are you getting a banner ad? What's happening? But Twitch baby indeed. 9 months, noob. We now have a Twitch baby. What is our Twitch baby named? Oh, you mean this ad? Oh yeah. This ad. This old thing. You mean meme box? Ooh. Yeah, what's the name of our Twitch baby, noob? Any suggestions? I have a few ideas. Data? Just name the kid Data? I mean, we could try just using a nickname. mattyWHOshoes. What's TUS? 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 I don't even know. So I want to match A.
Garbage.
Yeah, that was it's pretty garbage. I want to match A and then a 0 or more lowercase a characters. Easy peasy. Fine. Next. Winter is coming. It is indeed. Fix the regex to return the HTML tag h1 and not the text. What? Fix the regex to return the HTML tag h1.
Well, shall we dance?
What are they teaching us here? Lazy matching. Should use lazy matching. Ah, I see. So if we just say any string, I mean, let's do like A to Z any amount of times. Text.match my regex. I guess that's one way to do it. So I just decided to match everything until the 1 because I'm not allowed to write h1, so fine, I don't care, whatever. Ah, that's right, Stream Elements. I did win an award. That was pretty epic, actually. That was just before I went on my break. All right, so it's time to take. Speaking of breaks, you currently have 369 followers. Nice. Hey, nice. Indeed. Yeah. So speaking of break, I'm gonna take a short 2-minute stretchy break, and I feel like it's a good chance to, because on break, Fiona's cameras come on. So I thought it would be cool to do. Oh, come on. Sorry, I misclicked. I thought it would be cool to run a prediction. See, because we never know if Fiona's going to be in her toilet or not. So I thought it would be cool to run a prediction where we could actually say, is Fiona going to be in her toilet when we go to break camera? So, prediction. Start a prediction. Will name the prediction. Will Fiona be in her toilet? Possible outcomes. Yes. No. That's a big paper ball. All right, so start a prediction. Confirm. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, fellow. Wow. The speed. Oh my word. The speed. Here's the big question. Will Fiona be in her toilet when we turn on the bunny cam when we go on break? Ian, thank you very much for the 100 bits. Very kind. Use your channel points to predict if you are lucky. 50-50 odds. If you're lucky, you might win big channel points. This is your chance if you're a bit low on channel points or you have a crap ton and you have no idea what to do with them. This is your chance. Talk about hype. super hype. Someone has just put in, oh my gosh, Gaston, have you actually just have you just put in like 25k into no? Oh boy, the stakes are rising. Someone's put in a lot. I can see that it's 3,918 points yes, and 26,464 points. Oh, 31,000 points no. Okay, this will be very interesting. It'll be very interesting. It is, of course, very random if she's in her toilet or not. Not rigged in any way. I haven't heard her either, so I don't know. Oof. Okay. Are you ready, chat? There's 37,000 channel points in this in this pool. Someone is winning big if yes, indeed. All right, I'm going on break and I shall see you in a moment, but I will check if she's in her toilet, of course. See you in a moment.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, what has been happening while I'm not here? Oh my gosh. Well, the answer is no. Fiona was not in her toilet when I changed. I saw. She was not in her toilet. I'm very sorry for all of you who voted yes. I will be closing. How do I close this now? She's looking at the toilet. Does that count? No, that does not count. She's on the sofa. That could be one too. We could run the prediction next time if she's on the sofa. She's dreaming she's going to the toilet. Does that count? Thank you, the ZVFF for the follow, and Coil for the viewers from who are using Coil. Thank you very much for those delicious 100 bits donation. So yes, the answer is no. How do someone can afford bunny suit redemption now? Yeah, I have to somehow close the thing. How do I do this? Waiting for result. Okay, so if I type prediction, choose outcome. The outcome was no, she was not in her toilet. So the result is no. Let's see who won big this time. Someone won big. And someone lost big too. 37k go to Canhorn and 2 others. Wonderful. Good job. Good job to you all for predicting the outcome. For those of you who guessed correctly. For those of you who did not guess correctly, I'm sorry. But better luck next time. That's the name of the gambling game. So, back to... I feel like we need better colors. No, that's too uniform. Let's go with pink. Recriminals. Write a greedy regex that finds one or more criminals within a group of other people. A criminal is represented by the capital letter C. Steffi, are you going to make me literally just do this whole course with tiny hands or something? Oh my gosh. I feel like that was a... Okay. It's far too easy otherwise. You're probably right. Ah, cool gang. Canhorn. Alright. There's one that you haven't seen yet. I ordered these and I'm very happy. Oh my gosh, this is literally impossible now. I do not know how... I don't know how to type. I literally can't see anything. It's too dark. It's too dark. I did not think this through. It's too dark. My eyes need to adjust. Thank you, noob. They are quite nice glasses, actually. I have to say, they come with interchangeable lens, so you can change the color of them. 90 million lumens mode on. Well, yeah, this is like severe protection against that, actually. It's true. I can't be harmed anymore. I'm immune! I'm immune! I cannot be harmed by the lumens. Why is White Panther not here for regex fun? Well, bring her in! Bring her in! I don't know why she's not here. She must have like better things to do. Are my eyes fogging up? I feel like they're fogging up. Is that possible? Maybe. They're very spiky. Oh, Gaston, are you blind? I'm so sorry. 90 million. You all need to get glasses like this to protect you against 90 million lumens. It's perfect. Alright, greedy regex time. Crap, where's my mouse? I don't see it. Oh, it's there. Okay. I cannot see anything. I'll turn my keyboard brightness up to maximum. How about that? The question is, do you have a Minnie Mouse too? I do not. I actually do not. Well, these are actually fogging up. That's weird. Strange. Interesting. Why would they fog up? Do your eyes sweat? Code in the dark. I am coding in the dark. Oh, that was way earlier. That was way earlier. I'm missing so much chat because I can't see anything. I'm sorry if I'm missing anyone's message. If I miss something important, please just write it again. Hacked. Alright, so I have to change this line. Capital C. Represented by the capital letter C. Greedy. Okay. Yeah, what's the problem? should match. Ah, hold on. There we go. That's it. If you were at a party, what would be your regex party trick that would leave everyone jaw dropped? Is there such a thing as a regex party trick? Is that a real thing? I don't know if that's a real thing. Alright, so Ricky and Cal and Ricky both like racing. I can't see anything, chat. I think my regex trick, TD, would be select all from Beer Krug or something like this. I don't know how you can have like a regex party trick. It's quite difficult. But I can't see anything. Oh. Wow, this is like... These are super dark. Maybe I should change the lenses to something else. Yeah, right? Ricky and Cal. Shouldn't it be called Cal Ricky? It's true. It's very frustrating. Should I buy a mini mouse that I have to use a tiny mouse as well? I suppose. Alright, so let's do drop. Yes, mini mouse. Mini mouse for tiny hands. Woo! Oh yeah! Who is going to land? This is quite the drop.
If you're wondering what's happened, so am I.
Use the carrot character in a regex to find Cal only in the beginning of the string. Okay. Starts with Cal. Done. Next. Wonderful. Surly Dev with an 80.59, but Steffi coming in hot. Oh, just clip the edge of the bowl. Ouch. Sorry, Steffi. But Surly Dev, it's almost pay to win then, right? Almost. Alright, so also I bought a longer cable for this tiny camera because at the moment the cable's too short, and I'm considering to mount it underneath the microphone so it looks straight down, so you can see the tiny hands over the keys. Actually, it would probably be better positioning. I think the positioning here is suboptimal, let's say. What do you think about that, chat? I think top-down view would be better, right? Probably. The new update with those edges rigged it more. Oh. Alright, so top-down is better. That's good. I'll think about that when I play with it a little bit. We even have a second one, but this one is my girlfriend's. It's my partner's. It's red. Mine is black. I don't know what she is going to use hers for. She was saying she wants to film an entire movie on it, which is also pretty funny. I think for comedic value, top-down would be more rib tickling. Thank you, Surly. Alright, so caboose. The last car on the train is the caboose. This is like an ends with one, right? Use an anchor. Fine. Okay. Anchor. Ian! Stop throwing paper balls at me! It hurts. Ow. Because they're so large. Match the string caboose. Caboose. $. Boom. Next. Okay, so use the shorthand character to count the number of alphanumeric characters in various quotes and strings. Okay. So we use backslash. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Can I even do this? Ah, I got it. Nice. Backslash W. Okay. And if we do dot length, yeah, that should work. No, hold on a second. Oh, it has to count. Yeah, it has to match them globally. Right. Here we go. Hey, perfect. 55%. It's a good time to take off the tiny hands. The redemption isn't forever, obviously, so yeah. Also, one moment. I'm receiving messages.
I think I am getting a text message. Look. Ah, there it is.
Garbage.
It's just about tomorrow. Just about tomorrow's lecture. Just need to know where to go. There we go. So that's done. Thank you for your patience. PD. Lecture as in college? Yes, I'm guest lecturing at the moment. Two classes, so twice. I lectured on Friday and I have another one tomorrow.
I put my faith in data, information.
Indeed.
Ones and zeros never lie.
I am teaching the class about propensity scoring, which is a type of machine learning. Guest lecture. Does that mean you guess on what you're talking about? Well, yes, it's the same thing. Guest lecture. So class, today, I don't know what we're going to be doing. UK, I miss speaking at colleges. So this is actually the second time that I'm teaching as a guest. It's the second time, but the one I did last year was remote. So I just gave a presentation, you know, like I'm doing now, talking to you. And it was very different, and I thought it was cool, but I didn't enjoy it nearly as much as I did in person. Definitely not. Just made noob. What word did I make up? What word? What word did I make up? Propensity scoring? Do I have to wear a suit and tie? No, I do not. Can wear whatever I want, more or less. I chose to wear a flannel shirt. Very, very simple. Nothing, just flannel shirt and jeans. Yeah, those weird letters you scrambled together to form such a word. Don't talk to me about long words in English. German has like ginormous words, noob. Like this big words. What do I have to do here? Use the shorthand character to count the number of non-alphanumeric characters. Why I have to do this again? I just did this. Oh. Globally. Okay. Guten Tag. Yes, guten Tag. Straßenbahnhaltestelle. That's a long one. German versus Welsh. I wonder which is worse. German? For learning or for length? I don't know. Welsh has some pretty crazy long names, but I think they're more of a how do you call it? Of an exception, whereas German you can just string together nouns. Totally. That's no problem. Oh, I'm such an itch. All right. What's this one? Ah, digits. Yeah, okay. When do we get to the really tough regex? Let's speedrun these. Alright, let's speedrun these a bit. Change the regex to fit the constraints. Okay. Usernames can only use alphanumeric characters. Alright, so A to Z or 0 to 9. The only numbers in the username have to be at the end. Ooh, burn FCC, get wrecked. Maddie called you easy. I was easy until now. The only numbers in the username have to be at the end. There can be 0 or more of them at the end. The username cannot start with the number. Okay, so it cannot start with A to Z. Where did Pretzel go? That was interesting. Okay, so it cannot start with A to Z, and then it can have A to Z 0 to 9, but it has to end. It has to end with 0 to 9 $. Username letters can be lower and uppercase, fine. Usernames have to be at least 2 characters long. A 2-character username can only use alphabet letters. Wow, this is very, very... Okay. Let's see. Well, these are all the tests. Okay. Spoke too soon indeed, TD. There will be an ad coming up, by the way, so Surly, I know you have Prime. I don't know why you get ads. Unless you didn't use your Prime on my channel? I don't know. But for those of you who are not subscribed, you will receive an ad in around a minute and a half. Let me know what ad you got, because I don't know. Everyone gets very different ads. Could be funny to know which ad you get. Username Jack of all trades. So this is not a valid one, but anyway. Invalid regular expression. Okay, it has to start with... hold on a second. Start with A to Z. And it has to be at least 2. Should match the string Jack. Plus 4. Hold on a second. So, okay, it has to start with... The only numbers in the username have to be at the end. Where did you learn all your regexiness? Trial and error, essentially. Mostly in like web analytics contexts. So like when you use something like Google Tag Manager and you want to make a trigger rule, and the trigger rule is only fire this trigger when a button is clicked with class matching XYZ, you can write tons of regex to match those classes and stuff like that. That's basically where I learned all the regex. Ad just kicked. WhatsApp. Interesting. The one where the woman goes into a toilet cubicle and has an... Oh. I will allow that, Surly. But try to not to use those kinds of words too often, okay? Are you allowed to ban ads you don't agree with? No. We have zero control over what ads are run. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad term. You know what I mean, Surly? Like, it's totally fine word. It's just not too excessive about it. That's all. Oh, should not match the string J. So I need to check. I wanted to say I had a pill-related ad. My inner troll. FCC ad? Really? You got an ad for Free Code Camp? Can they even afford to run ads? I don't think so. You mean you saw a streamer doing FCC, right? That's the ad. I'm advertising for them. Wait, they should be paying me. Yeah, UK. Yeah. This is not sponsored, but it should be. FCC should be sponsoring me. Totally. New revenue stream.
They're great.
Oh no! White Panther's here! Regex, let's go! 5 months, Panther. Thank you very much. Thank you. Finally, the Regex party can get started. Oh no, Steffi, not again. Oh, this makes it so... Oh, this makes it so difficult. This makes it so difficult. Well, Panther, now that you're here, Steffi's redeemed it, so... Did you tell everyone we had our own personal party? No, I did not yet. It's actually a great time to say before we get started. So, did I tell all of you that I met White Panther? In person! The real White Panther. And, well, it's due to a series of unfortunate circumstances for White Panther that turned out to be, yeah, very serendipitous for us. Because, I mean, I wasn't streaming on a Friday because it was my break, and Panther was basically stranded in Zurich for a night. I mean, I say stranded. She missed her connecting flight. It was hard to get a photo since they're a celeb. Yes, it was very difficult to get a photo. I think we did 10 takes. No, we did like 3 or 4 takes of the photo before the celeb was happy. But yes, we had some drinks. White Panther ate food because she was starving. I had already eaten because I wasn't sure if it was gonna work out. But we didn't do any shots. No, TD, we didn't do shots. I actually drove to the airport. That's why I wasn't drinking. Being a good boy. So yeah, so that was very crazy. Nimi B, thank you for the bits. Oh yes, you had white Zurich wine. That's true. Panther was drinking. I wasn't drinking. But yeah, airport parking. Oh yeah, so that's a good one, TD. I'm glad you said that. Airport parking in Zurich is indeed very expensive, and I was there for 3 hours, so it normally would have cost around, I don't know, 10 francs or something. But I got my parking validated at the hotel, so it was only $3. So it's 1 franc an hour. This is basically nothing, right? So that was cherry on the cake, I would say. Cherry on the cake. But yes, White Panther. It was super cool to meet finally. That was really, yeah, I mean, it's been something we wanted to do for so long. So yeah, it's so cool that it worked out. Unfortunately, you had to go through all that stuff so that it did work out, but the pain of meeting Maddie. Yeah, it was probably a little bit painful to listen to me talk in real life. Yes, but yeah, Surly Dev, our airport parking here also 5 minutes, 5 francs, and if you go over, it goes up by 5 francs per minute. So it's savage. It's so savage. You're welcome, Panther. You're welcome, Panther. I mean, I didn't do much, you know. I just sort of like, you know, kept you company. You know, it's not a. Aros Puppy, thank you for joining, and hello to you. Hello indeed. Nimibi, it's nice that you're here as well. Nice of you to join. 0 to 5 minutes is £5. 6 to 10 minutes is £6. Oh no, it goes up like incrementally. It's crazy, or exponentially, I should say. It's madness. So if you're like 1 or 2 minutes over, it's just so much money for parking. So yeah, I can definitely recommend that as a life hack. Other streamers that are here today, TD is also a streamer in our lovely Claw team. Definitely do check out TD's stream. Definitely worth a watch.
Garbage.
Nice try, Steffi. I was too fast that time. Too fast indeed. We've also got other friends here, like Noob. Definitely. Steffi trying to garbage everyone. It's just Steffi's thing, you know. It's just what they do, you know. We've also had Finite here today. Please just basically go look at all the streamers in you know, just go look at all the streamers, you know. I didn't even start it. Did you just shout me out, TD? Why would you shout me out? I don't need a shout out. I'm gonna have to move you and leave you. It's bedtime. All right, Panther. Well, thanks for popping by. We are doing regex today, so that's probably what got you here. That's probably what got you here in the first place, because you love regex. I know. Panther loves regex. I didn't expect the shout out to work. It's only text based. Can you write love you in regex, Panther? Oh yes, Panther, you do need to wait because we are going to start coding. Move you and leave new you is the new meme. Really? Is that a meme? I'm not up to date on my memes, but I am up to date on Tiny Hands. So basically Steffi redeemed Hands On, which is a very close-up view of me typing with tiny hands. I just invented it. Faith in regex, weird letters always lie. I like that one, Noob. That's a great one. Yeah, funny. Very funny. Very funny. Well, Panther, I wish you a very lovely evening. I hope you get some good sleep. And we'll see each other again very soon, I guess. If you're ever stranded in Switzerland again, then just let me know. Yeah. And I will continue with my regex. Enjoy the tiny hands. I'm really enjoying them. Did I mention that I got like 10 pairs? And 2 packs? So I have all these tiny hands and I've been putting them all over the house. It's been creeping my partner out. It's kind of funny. This is so difficult. I don't even know what regex I'm supposed to write, and then I have to write it with tiny hands as well. Okay. So, yeah, if anyone needs a pair of tiny hands, let me know. I'm your man. I've got tons of them now. Okay, usernames can only contain alphanumeric characters. Fine. Let's start by building the regex again, because that didn't work. 10 pairs, more than enough for 10 fingers. Yes, I thought about that. I thought about that, Steffi. I thought about that. But it's really awkward, like beyond awkward. I can't do anything anymore. I'm kind of disappointed you didn't get these. I'm very afraid of clicking this link, but I shall click it. Shoes for hands? Shoes, finger shoes? Then I need, what is it? Kickflip? The tiny little kickboard? What are those called? Kickboards? The finger skateboards. What were those called? I forget. Oh, Matty finger shoes. Tech deck. This is creepy. This is beyond creepy. This is so creepy. I can't even look at it. No. No, no, no. 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 Like, this is funny. Those are the actual size of my hands. No! Yeah, you know, like the tiny little skateboard that you could use with your fingers. Steffi, you know? I don't know. I think they were called fingerboards. I don't know. No idea. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. These are just hilarious. I don't know. Anyhow, so... Okay. Let's construct... Ah, you sent the link with the fingerboard. Yeah, though. Oh, gosh. Wow. Wait, are those functional? This is so awkward. It's so awkward to look at. It's so awkward to look at. Okay. Okay. Fine, so. We need to write regex. Usernames can only be alphanumeric. Fine, so that means alphanumeric is A to Z or 0 to 9. But hold on. Then the second condition comes, which is the second condition is the only numbers in the username have to be at the end. So it's going to be 0 to 9 and then or the end, or it's blank. Uncanny. What's uncanny, J. Walter? So, okay, that's one thing. Oh. Is that correct? So it does not... Okay, so this is good so far. The only numbers in the username have to be at the end. There can be 0 or more of them at the end. Username cannot start with a number. So it has to start with A to Z. Okay. Username letters can be lowercase and uppercase. So I at the end. Usernames have to be at least 2 characters long. So the whole string needs to be 2 characters. But a 2-character username can only use alphabet letters. So there has to be How do I check that? What's the check for this? How do I check for this? Usernames have to be at least 2 characters long. 2-character username can only use alphabet letters. So it would have to be at least 2. I'm gonna do a different method, which is this one. Which there have to be at least 2 or more letters. Oh, interesting. Okay. Should not match the string J. Normally I would use like a regex tester.
They're great.
Splashly! Thank you very much. 4 months. Wait, I'll do it. 4 months. Thank you, Splashly. 4 months. I'm doing well. I just came off a 2-week streaming break and I'm feeling good. Glad to be back. I'm glad for all this, like, crazy support. I thought people would have forgotten me by now. In some way, I don't know. I'm glad you like the tiny hands. Yeah, I'm glad you like them. I think they're pretty funny. mattyWHOshoes? Indeed, mattyWHOshoes. So we're just gonna shoop, get rid of that. Oh boy, I thought regex would have been quite straightforward. mattyU100. Nice, nice, very nice. Yeah, you can use the nickname command to get different versions of my username, courtesy of TD's crazy crazy website. You've done this before, Splashly? No way. This exact exercise? Because I'm pretty good with regex, but this one is stumping me. Regex is fun? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Regex is amazing. It's such a diverse language. It has to be at least 2. Let's make this a group. Why is it matching J? Mm-hmm.
That really blew my mind. Like, I had goosebumps.
I love that one. Oh my gosh, I love it. One of my favorites of all time. I love it. That scene is so good. So good. Oldie but a goodie indeed, Splashly. Yeah. Yeah. I think there's a couple memes missing from that list actually, Steffi. And I just realized that it triggers them. It triggers them because Stream Elements can trigger them. Because Stream Elements is mod. It's memes with an S. Memes.
Garbage.
New, yeah.
That really
See?
blew my mind.
And it's always the last one.
I had goosebumps.
Mind blown. It'll always trigger the last one. I should probably disable the command. Or take out the exclamation mark. That would also work. Yeah, let's drop. Okay, let's go. Everybody drop. Let's go. Everybody. Everyone. Drop. How's the meme go? The famous noob meme. Everybody drop, 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 drop. Something like this. And there's like creating all the hype through the drop game. Hey, I'm Dev. I've just seen you now. Did you say hello earlier? I'm sorry if I missed that. Ah, at least two. At least two. At least two. So it shouldn't match. I think this needs to be in the middle. And it needs to be, starts with A to Z, and it needs to be at least one of these. Ah, you just popped in. Okay. You can take over the drop, drop, drop while I'm not streaming. Oh, Noob, are you not streaming at the moment? I thought I saw you online this week. Also, 9553. Good landing, Surly. I mean, I say Surly because it's your friend, so. It's matching A1 because this should be... Oh, that's not good. Let's do at least 2 or more. Ah, there we go. It should match the string Joe. The clipographer got 99.50 earlier. Oh, wow, okay. Oh, Noob, I didn't know you weren't streaming at the moment. Are you also taking some time off? That's good. I can highly recommend it. For sure. For sure. What's missing here? So normally I would take all of these strings and put them in something like regex 101 and then build my regex that way. I wanted to take a break, but now I had to take a break due to reasons. Oh, well, you know what, Noob? You take the time off and you take the time off, and as is evidenced by today, apparently people are still here when you get back. You know? But I do hope everything is alright, Noob. Yeah. It's tough streaming and working at the same time. Definitely. Like working full-time and streaming and... Whew. Splashly, November has been and continues to be very busy. Is it also like that for you, Splashly? It's also challenging at the moment? I think end of year, I don't know, there's some kind of crunch, maybe? End of year crunch kind of thing? Maybe it depends on the industry or so, but...
They're great.
Yeah, your subscription messages. Hello. Hello to you, Gag, and thank you for our Twitch baby. 9 months. What will our baby be named, Gag? So my baby with Noob is already named Data, so you'll have to pick a different name. Twitch baby called Hello. So we have Hello and Data. So when I'm like, when I'm calling both my babies, I'm saying, hello, Data. I don't know. Was trying to come up with something funny, but my brain is fried. Oh, Gak, you should not fry your brain. If you're gonna eat brains, you gotta bake them in the oven. So Splashy says, very challenging. I haven't streamed in over 2 weeks. I'm just juggling a lot of things, but I miss streaming and watching others. Yeah, but it's, you know, as always, it's a priorities thing, right? Sometimes you just don't have that time and you've gotta prioritize some other things, and so streaming takes a back seat for a bit and then comes back in. Thanks for the good vibes, Flashly. And you know, at some point streaming comes back in again. It's part of the natural cycle of things, you know. I hadn't taken any real time off streaming since I started last year. Now it's almost a year since I started streaming, so yeah. And I mean, lurking is great. I hardly opened Twitch at all these last 2 weeks. It was crazy. I was glad to just have had the distance, but I think lurking is cool. Yeah. So I don't know how to solve this. The username has to be at least 2 characters. A 2-character username can only use alphabet letters as characters. I mean, in a very long regex I could solve this, but I don't know how to solve it in a short way. Let's get some help. Let's get a hint. Oh, lumens. Oh, so they have gone with a very long route. So I was thinking of doing it shorter than this. Starts with A to Z plus any digit star. So 0 or more matches of a digit. That's a nice way to do it. A to Z and then digit plus yeah. Okay. That works. That's not a bad way of doing it, but it is very long. It is very long. Oh, boo! Jay Walter, you need to go, but thank you for joining. It was always very appreciated. If you don't know Jay Walter, then you should also check out Jay Walter. Jay Walter is also part of our Claw crew. So, yeah. But of course, yeah, as Noob said, VODs. I put my VODs up on YouTube, so if you miss stuff, you can always catch up later, I suppose. But I know that I don't expect anyone to watch them. I really don't. I got a comment the other day on one of them where someone said it was super helpful. I was like, wow, okay, that's amazing. Like, I'm glad. So, you know, if one person derives benefit from it, then I'm happy to do it. What about the second solution? What did they do here? Oh, look, okay, with 2, like I did. And then the digit thing here. Okay, so we were there more or less. I wanted to find a shorter way of doing it. But, yeah, not so simple. Oh, white space stuff. I don't like counting white spaces. Wow. Chat, I hadn't remembered how exhausting streaming is. I'm like out of practice. Almost. Oh, Gax says, I got 1 or 2 comments like that on my VODs as well. And one that said, amazing tutorial, can you make one on X? Oh, noob, you want me to do this hands-on? Fine, I'll do this hands-on. I'll do this very hands-on, just for you. Very hands-on. Let's get the mouse over here. Alright, so what do we need to do? Change the regex count whitespace to look for multiple whitespace characters in a string. Well, whitespace is backslash. Nope, that's the wrong one. Can I even... I don't think I can even touch those two together. There we go. Backslash S G is all of the whitespace characters. Wonderful. Okay. Count non-whitespace to look for multiple non-whitespace characters. Okay. Okay, let's try again. Back and then Shift S. Oh, what? What happened here? Oops, I need the global match. Didn't find all of them. Hey, there we go. I should get like a tiny little DJ mixer as well, and then stream in the music category, and just do this. I'm a DJ, yo. That would be kind of trolling in a way. So let's see. Change the regex regex to match the entire phrase "oh no," only when it has 3 to 6 letter H's. What? Okay. Let's scroll down here. Oh yeah, that would be very funny. And a tiny pool. Oh right. If I had a tiny pool and I had tiny hands, then I could stream in pools, beaches, right? What's the other one? Pools, hot tubs, pools, and beaches? That would work. All right, so I want to test for "oh no." But only when H has 3 to 6 H's. Okay. Well, preceding character. Oops. This is very challenging with tiny hands. I'll have you know. I want 3 to 6 letter H's. Is that correct? Hey, it's on like Donkey Kong. Cool. What's this one? Huzzah! Only when it has 4 or more Z's. Oh gosh. Okay. Ha bracket Z bracket close curly brace 4 or more Z's. Huzzah. Huzzah! I'm an all-star. Hey now, you're an all-star. Alright. Next. Change the regex Tim regex to match the word timber only when it has 4 letter M's. Okay, after this one I'm changing from tiny hands. This is super annoying. This is taking like 10 times the amount of time that it would normally take. Timber square bracket M square bracket. What's the condition? Only when it has 4. Okay. Timber. Boom. Okay. Wonderful. So, what's this one? Change the regex fav regex to match both the American English and British English favorite. So if I write favorite, and the U is optional. Ah, it's after. Oops. I forget if it's before or after all the time. Okay. Ooh, regex. Oh, this is a password one. Oh no, it's not. Sorry, it's positive and negative look ahead. This is the one part of regex that I always struggle with. Always. Okay. Positive look ahead, negative look ahead. Make sure the element in the search pattern is there but won't match it. Positive look ahead is used as exactly where the ... is a required part that is not matched. A negative look ahead will look to make sure the element in the search pattern is not there. The rest of the pattern is returned if the negative look ahead part is present. You struggle on all regex. Look aheads are a bit confusing. Yeah, they are. Okay. Okay, so quit is QU. No quit is QT. QT pi. QU regex is Q negative look ahead U. So if it's QU, quit.match Q regex would return Q. Because the U is a negative, is that negative look ahead? No, it's a positive look ahead. And this is not U. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, it is a password checker. I knew it was going to be a password checker. How did I know that? Probably because of PW. So, sample word astronaut. Use lookaheads in the PW regex to match passwords that are greater than 5 characters long and have 2 consecutive digits. Wow, that escalated so quickly. Okay. Greater than 5 characters long. Couldn't you just do, like, why are we not doing A to Z greater than 5 characters, right? Ah, because it has to use the look at, fine, okay. Okay, Slashly, you drop, I drop. And all my friends drop with me. Let's see if we can get lucky this time. I haven't landed once today, I don't think. Oh, Freda might help me. Ah, I think Freda helped me. Sweet. I landed, but I'm not gonna win. Oh, Copper's Beard. Again, 97. Wow. Gosh, Surly, I mean, your friends are so good at landing. I don't know why. Oh. Okay, use lookaheads to match passwords that are greater than 5 characters long and have... two consecutive digits. Check 2 or more patterns in one string. Looks for between 3 and 6 characters and at least one number. Yeah, so if we do a look ahead, so look ahead is command question mark equals. We want to have at least 5 characters and at least 2 consecutive digits. So we'll do D star, nope, 2 consecutive digits. D, DD, DD. The plural of regex is regrets. Is that true, Gak? Is that true? Digit. 2 consecutive digits. This is very tricky. 2 consecutive digits. Why are they doing this here? This is what I don't understand. What's with the... I don't really get that. Doesn't really make sense to me. Big D is surely anything but a digit, right? I want at least 2 of them. Have you tried out the regex 101 site that explains every option? Yeah, I was just saying before, Gak, that normally I would use a regex tester to write it against without doing it this way. But I don't want to do it this way because that's the way that they want. Does that make sense? The regex should not match the string astronaut. Should do positive look aheads. This has to be at least 2. Oh, fine, you know what? But I think it's a good suggestion with ones that are difficult. We could definitely like get a little regex window here like this. And we could move this over here like this. And I put my regex here. And we do astronaut. And then banan1. Bana 12. Might have to change the flavor. I'm gonna use JavaScript just to make sure. No. Oh, I just need multi-line, right? I'm not sure. Let's leave it off for the moment. What else we got in here? Bana 12, ABC 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, pass 99, 1A, 2B, C, D, E, and astronaut. Okay. I will have to make this multi-line. Global, because otherwise, yeah. So, this is interesting. Multi-line is just to go through all the lines and not start with the first N execution. Yeah, I think... Yeah, probably global is enough in this case to match each line. But this is very weird. D was any character that's not a digit. Why would they do it that way? I want to match any digit 0 to 9 at least 2 times. That's what's interesting. Positive look ahead and positive look ahead. Because I want to find 5 characters. Ah, the whole string is greater than 5 characters. Ah. Hold on a second. Can I do it this way? This is an OR condition? Tricky. I love that emote, Splashly. That's something I miss too. Like, I was in chats, like Slack and stuff, the past 2 weeks while working, and not on Twitch so much, and I realized like the Twitch emotes are just so expressive because they're personalized. But like on Slack, everyone uses the same emote set, you know? I mean, yeah, you can upload custom emotes to Slack, but most people don't have that many custom ones. So, you know, it's kind of sad. So, password is greater than 5 characters. Oh. Oh, chat, this is... I mean, I'm good at regex, but this is quite challenging, this one. Match passwords that are greater than 5 characters long and have 2 consecutive. Okay, so this is not matching when it should. Ah, no, that's good. It's not matching that, which is good. It's not matching this one. It's matching this one. I feel like that could be it. Should match the string bana 12. Oh, right, yeah, it should be matching that. It should be matching bana 12. Maybe I need to do A to Z 0 to 9. Previous token between 5 and unlimited times, as many times as possible, giving back as needed. Remember to use 2 look-aheads to check the patterns in the string. First look-ahead is very similar to the example, only the lower number, 3, is too low and upper number is unnecessary. Is only to test to find a string consisting of a certain amount of characters. A second head, okay. Okay, so they've done, basically they've said any, so 5 or more string length, fine. And then the second test is normally, so they're saying 2 consecutive digits. And this is obviously in the example they are giving. No digit and anything 0 or more times, and then and then at least 2 consecutive digits. So 2 would be DD. Should not match the string 1 2 3 4 5. But that's not true. What? Is this a mistake? Hold on a second. Use lookaheads in the regex to match passwords that are greater than 5 characters long. Oh, it's greater than 5. Greater than. Oh, Gak, you just usurped Noob's drop there. Well done. Well done. Well done indeed. Very nice. So what do we do now? Nice. Fix the regex so it checks for the names of Franklin Roosevelt or Eleanor Roosevelt in a case-sensitive manner and should make concessions for middle names. Then fix the code so the regex that you have created is checked against my string and either true or false. Okay. So Franklin or Eleanor Roosevelt in a case-sensitive manner should make concessions for middle names. Anything in between. Result equals my string dot test my regex. None of your friends beat Gax drop, Surly. So Franklin or Eleanor Oh, it's the other way around. That's, yeah, I was confused. Oh. Franklin or Eleanor Roosevelt. Interesting. Why is that not working? Regex should return false. Why is this resolving to true? Because I've not been good enough. What should I put in there? String groups. I think. Oh, it was literally just the bracket. Oh, good paper ball, Ian. Okay. Wow. Reuse patterns using capture groups. This is actually super cool. I have returned with Paperball. Did you go away, Ian? Where'd you go? I didn't know where you went. So, use capture groups in regex to match a string that consists of only the same number repeated exactly 3 times separated by single spaces. Okay. Well, if we have a capture group and we say this is capture group 1 and it's the same number, so it's any number, which would be a digit, repeated exactly 3 times. 3 times. Separated by spaces. So there'll be a white space, like that. Wait a second. That's the capture group. Heat up leftovers from last night. What leftovers are we having, Ian? Leftovers next day can be delicious. And then, we have to call it again. Wait a second. Use capture groups to match a string that consists of only the same number.
Straight down to the underground.
Huh? Okay, hold on. A digit, which is 1 or more repeating. What? Lasagna. Mmm, that gets better with the longer. The longer you keep lasagna, the better. Like third day, right? I'm confused about this. Example below matches a word that occurs thrice, separated. Ah, we don't need to account for the spaces here. 1 1. Why is this not working? Yeah, that's weird. So if this is one or more digits. Ah, hold on. Start and end of string, probably. There we go. Howdy, TD. Write a regex, fix regex using 3 capture groups that will search for each word in the string, then update the replace text variable to replace 123 with the string 321, and assign the result to the result variable. Make sure you are utilizing capture groups in the replacement string using $. Wow, okay. That got hard fast. Whew. That's what she said. So, fix regex. We need to write a regex that uses 3 capture groups that will search for each word. So first capture group is a word. Thanks, noob. But I think I have. Do I even have that? I don't think I have it, to be honest. First you have a fingering challenge. And now you're saying it got hard fast. Happy birthday to who, TD? Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday? Who's got birthday? It's the regex that makes you go crazy. Okay, so search for each word in the string 1 2 3. 1 2 I wanted to be the first to say happy birthday to whoever's birthday is soon. I mean, yeah. But then, I mean, TD, you could just make a site that just constantly spams happy birthday in everyone's Twitch chat, hoping to, like, it's kind of like a shotgun approach, right? You're just hoping to hit someone who's got a birthday then at that point. Okay, so 1 2 3. These are the 3 capture groups. Ah. Is that right? Then what? Replace text. Happy birthday, bot. 1 2 3 with the string 3 2 1 and assign the result to the result variable. So it's 3 2 1. This is a great track, noob. I like it, yeah. Multiplayer. Would the happy birthday song get you DMCA'd? I don't think so, because it's public domain. I looked it up when it was my birthday stream in March. I remember looking it up beforehand, and apparently it's public domain. Because, I mean, yeah, relatively recently, exactly new. I mean, who would the rights go to? Let's be honest. Like, stupidity. So I'm confused about this. These are 3 capture groups. Is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star public domain? I don't know, you can Google. You can Google and let us know, TD. I'm busy writing regex right now, otherwise I would Google for you. This is why you never heard of Happy Birthday sung in TV programs. Older ones, yeah. Anything filmed recently, I guess, is fine. Or they just licensed it, right? Like, TV shows can afford it. Squid Game. Just saying, they can afford to pay the licensing fee to whoever, right? Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is public domain. That is super cool to know. Because I want to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Maybe someone should make a public domain playlist. And not the band. Not the band, but like all songs that are public domain. Just make a playlist of those. Not no copyright, but actually public domain. I don't know. I'm not really sure why this isn't working, chat. Why is this not working? I'm confused. I mean, these are 3 groups. Basically 1, 2, 3. Oops. Oh, it was spaces. Oops. Can you console log in regex? Not in regex itself, but in JavaScript you can console log, of course. Write a regex and use the appropriate string methods to remove white space at the beginning and end of strings. So what's white space? White space was S. Trim, yeah. So we're looking for the white space. I should not use trim. Okay. This is like the final exercise, right? I think. Write a regex use the appropriate string methods to remove white space at the beginning and end of strings. So it's white space in any combination. And then there's an A to Z string we want to keep, which is capture group 2, which is 1 or more. And then there's a third, which is white spaces, 0 or more. And we want to have result. We want to keep what was the replace function? What was regex replace? I forget already. JS regex replace. I already forget it. So it's hello dot replace. No, this doesn't work. So we have regex and we have a string, then it's the string dot replace. The regex is ws regex, and we only want the middle group, which is 2 in single quotes. Can I console log the result? Maybe we should try that. Console log result. Wait, what's the issue here? Result should be equal to the string hello world. Okay. I don't understand. Why is it not removing it? Very bright. Create a regex string that matches any spaces. What? Oh. Wait, what? No capture groups. Interesting. So they've done it starting with white space, ending with white space globally. And then just... Huh. Okay. That works. That works. Well, chat, I guess we finished regex. No more regex. Easy. No, I don't want to do that. All right, so we did the regex. So at the moment, we've done basic JavaScript, ES6, regular expressions, and now, next time, we will look at debugging, basic data structures, algorithm scripting. Yeah, this is going to be very important for me, for my project. Indeed. My first Twitch project, and probably my last, because it's going to take me so long, is to build the best real-time analytics engine you can imagine. That is my goal. It's very ambitious. Yes, noob. Tell me about it indeed. Tell me about it indeed. So I'm snoozing that ad again. We should have an ad in 6 minutes, which gives us 6 minutes to sort out where to go and say thank you, which I think is enough time. So let's take a look here. Is this muted? Yes, it's muted. So, we should end. Let's do this. I didn't test if this scene works, so it might bust. It might be a bust. In any case, chat, thank you very much for... Ah, here it is. End of stream. There we go. Thank you very much to everyone for joining today for... Oh, I stopped the music already. Hold on. One moment. Let's get music back. That tune slaps. No, thank you everybody for joining today again. I was away and I was worried that when I came back that no one would be here, but it turns out that everybody was here, so I appreciate that. Thank you to Gak and Splashly and White Panther and Noob and Finite and Jay Walter and TD and Canhorn for subscribing, and I know Canhorn, you gave Yoast the gifted sub. Thank you very much for that as well. Thank you to the ZVFF James Harries and Planet Was Taken, sorry, for the follows. And thank you to Nimi B and Coil People and Ian for your lovely 100-bit donations, or biddies, I should say. We are going to raid always. We always raid someone at the end of stream. Please do show this particular streamer lots of love. I think they're doing something pretty interesting. I hope to see all of you on Friday. I don't know exactly what the plan will be on Friday. Probably we'll do some more FCC stuff. That being said, I wish all of you a great week ahead, and I hope to see you again, yeah, very soon, end of the week. And the song has 13 more seconds, so I need to fill that time a little bit so that I can end with, you know, me saying goodbye as the song also fades out. And so that's my cue to say goodbye, right? Basically, that's how that works. So we're gonna go raid Chris Nova. Please show lots of support, and I hope to see all of you again soon. Throw them balls. Bye bye.